Hi, I'm Amanda Taylor from Oatka Glass Studio. I've been making glass, kiln-form glass for almost 30 years, and believe me, I know how frustrating it can be when you start a project and it doesn't come out the way you planned it to. You have no idea why or what happened, and you get stuck and not sure where to go from there. So I've started recording my process and experimenting with new methods to help take out the trial and error in your glassmaking projects and find new ways to create variations on themes. So in these videos, we'll go step by step so that you can easily get it right the first time. And you can join me in the journey through my YouTube channel, where you'll find high-level overviews of techniques. And if you're looking for more, become a patron, I should say, on my Patreon page. And patrons pledge a small amount of money for access to my in-depth project videos, my ebooks, and personal one-on-one technical support and project troubleshooting from yours truly, Amanda. So anyway, subscription details are on my webpage at www.oatkaglass.com or on my Patreon page. And I can't wait to create with you. Hope you enjoy me. Thank you.